Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this math problem, which we root b divided by b equals to 2. What is the possible value for b? So if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification button. To some people, this problem is quite easy, but to some, it's complicated. But to you, if it is quite easy, please, it is still meaningful that you watch this video. And to you, if it is complicated, please watch the video in case you come across it anywhere. See, mathematics is easy and it is useful in every area of our lives. So let's provide a solution to this. The very first time I saw this, I was amazed because the solution sounded funny, and to me, at first it looked very easy at first to me. But when I began to solve it, I started seeing the process in it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you one method you can use in solving this math problem. So remember, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics, because in this channel we solve problems on mathematics and problems that are life oriented, because in the real world mathematics is applicable in the real world. So let's provide a solution to this. So say solution. Okay, we can simply start solving this thing from here. Okay, so in order for us to maintain the bar, so if we have this to be root b over b equals to 2. Okay, so this is what we are now having. Okay, having this, what are we simply going to do? We'll simply cross multiply. So we are also having this to be divided by 1. Remember, if we're having 2 divided by 1, it's still the same thing as 2. So if we put divide by 1, nothing changes, it still remains the same. So we are now having here to be root b equals to, so if we cross multiply, we're having this to be times 1 equals to 2 times b. Okay, so from here we're having root b is equals to 2b. Okay, so here we are having root b. Let me write the root b very well for those of us, because root b, this is different from something else. So let's quickly solve this side. So we're having root b is equals to 2b, right? So if we simply write this here, root b equals to 2b. Okay, if we should square both sides, so we put in this, we're having this to be root b all square equals to 2b all square. Okay, and this root we cancel off this, so quickly have this out. So we're having here to be b is equals to b 2b all square. Okay, having done this, we can rearrange this by saying 2b all square is equals to b. So this is b, this is b. Okay, having done this, we can open this. So if we open this, we're having this to be, if we put in this, we're having 4b squared equals to b. So having this, so many of us will say, okay, from here we can simply divide both sides by b to easily get our answer. But since we are having this square here, let's not do it that way. Let's do it this way rather. So bringing this into it, we have 4b squared minus b equals to 0. Now we are now having a quadratic equation. So let's see how we can solve from here. Okay, having this, so let's move on. So we're having this to be 4b squared minus b equals to 0. Okay, we can see that there's something common between 4b squared and b, and that is b. Remember, from the simple mathematics, we are having a square minus A is also equals to A open bracket A minus 1. So if we put this rule here, we simply have this to be B open bracket 4B minus 1 close bracket equals to 0. Okay? This is what we are not having. So if we should erase this part, quickly erase this part. Okay, let's erase this part. Quickly erase this part and use the tab. Okay? So quickly erase the part. Now we're not having this. So let's write this into this part. So we're having this to be B open bracket 4B minus 1 close bracket all equals to 0. So according to the product rule in quadratic equation, we can equate this to be 0. So let's add this to be B rather. B is equals to 0. Okay? Then 4B minus 1 equals to 0. So from here, we can see that the first value of B is now equals to 0, which we are going to reject. We are not going to take it because B can't be equals to 0, so we are going to reject this value of B. So we are going to take this 4B minus 1 equals to 0. So if we should bring 1 to the other side, we're having 4B, okay, is equals to 1. So if we should divide both sides by 4, mathematically our B is equals to 1 over 4. Okay? So the next thing we are going to do is to substitute. So we've gotten rather the value of B to be equals to 1 over 4. So what are we interested in? What we are interested in next is to substitute this value of B into this equation to see if we are going to get the value of 2. So let's do that. So if we should do that by erasing this part again, simply erase this part. So remember we have B is equals to 1 over 4, and the question is this: root B divided by B is equals to 2. Okay? So if we substitute this into this, we're having root 1 over 4, okay, over 2 equals to what? So we're having 1 over what? 1 over what? Over 4 equals to what? Equals to 2. So if we have this, we're having 1 over 2 all divided by 1 over 4 equals to 2. Okay? So you can see here, bring this one up, becomes 4 over 2 equals to 2. And 2 divided by 2, we're having 2 equals to 2. So you can see that the value of B in this equation is correct. So this is the end of today's video. So if you have another method you can use in solving this, please drop that on the comment section below. I'm waiting for your comments, and if you find this video useful and interesting, please don't forget to click on the subscription button if you have not done that, and turn on the notification bell. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, and please do well to watch the video, and please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button because we need it in this channel. That is what will help us, and that is what will encourage us to create or to do more videos on mathematics. We always love you, and we have you in our mind, and we send our prayers to you. And we always pray for you, and we always care about you. Thank you, and see you in my next amazing month's Olympiad challenge. Thank you.